What's up, guys? Welcome back to Nick's All American TV. Today, we're going to be jumping into this old tiller and finally doing this carburetor rebuild. For those of you that are new, this old tiller, we dove into it last episode and tried to get it up and running on a budget to see what was going wrong with it. We finally figured out that the carburetor was gummed up from bad fuel and sitting. So we're going to take this carburetor off. We're going to take it over to our sonic cleaner and we're going to clean it up, see if we can't get this thing back operational. Y'all stay with it. Guys, tearing into this thing. Let's get this air cleaner off of here. And we will get down to nitty gritty on the carburetor. And we'll get the carburetor off. Because the carburetor is also the fuel maker happener, which is also everything else. Alright, air cleaner gone. Alrighty then. So, bet you that's gonna be a yep. And this is yep. Okay. Carburetor rebuild. Carburetor rebuild. Carburetor rebuild. Huh. Oh, what's that hung up on? Nut bolt. We can leave that. At least we know where it goes back to. There we go. And there we go. Look at there. That looks like a carburetor. That looks like a carburetor. Okie dokie. Pull it off. Pull that off. Oh. let's take this carburetor over to the workbench, tear it down, and get it ready to go into the parts washer. All right, guys, time is up. Let us see what we are working with. Feel like a mad scientist with all this stuff in here, chemicals. Kind of cool, actually. Drain our parts off. Pull our carpet protector out. Okay, we're going to put this right back in here because we have another carburetor we're doing. All right, let's put this thing back together. And now that we got everything clogged out of us, the gaskets are a little crusty. We're reusing them, but it's what we got. So we're going to put this thing back together and see where we go. And I'll show you guys a neat little trick here. So if you guys didn't know, you can take your phone or flashlight, shine it through the barrel of a carburetor, and you can look down through there and see if that jet is cleaned out or not. And our jet is clean. So we are going to start All right, fellas. Welcome back. We got our carburetor back on our tiller here. We got everything put back together. We got some fresh gas in her. Everything's looking good. Now I guess it's about the time, a moment of truth, and we're going to find out if we really can repair a small engine on a budget. So keep in mind, for our pressure washer and our tiller, we never bought the first gasket kit. Never bought it. We didn't go out and buy a new carburetor. We didn't go out and buy anything. What we did do is we did buy a sonic cleaner. And that was the biggest thing that helped us out. We cleaned our carburetors really good, put them right back on here. So y'all ready to find out if this thing's going to work? Let's find out. Well, guys, we got the pressure washer done. We got the tiller done. We knocked out another thing or two. Let's see how good we did on this pressure washer, and we're going to use what we built to clean up what we built. Oh.